Nyuma ya David ICHOHO kubuta ngugeja mukariri giti wa bodi ya wende ba majani niyo KTDA na ENOS Njiru kujukia giti kiu na Njiru na arikithiritie arimi ba majani nteto atiaga atetera na gutegera na njira ya mwanya kimera gikinkuruki na kuga AKARITANIRIA NGUGI gwa AKWI na thirikari cha matura kenda majani jachoka arazare au kabere. Anthony Kadenya na ripoti je.
I want to assure all our stakeholders and even our shareholders, the farmers, the staff, and even the directors that moving forward, we will sit down with them, agree on strategies and ways in which we are going to perform or to carry out our duties and bring cohesion in the board and even in the whole sector, and assure even our stakeholders, wherever they are, the buyers, the financiers, and the government, any other person who is a stakeholder in this sector, that all operations and the governance and leadership of this sector moving forward will not be any shaky. And we assure them of good support, and I pray and request for unity from all the directors, from all the farmers. Let us embark on our daily duty so that we see on how we can add the value to our product and even diversify to see that even we bring more money to farmers' pockets. Yes. What I can assure our farmers is that they be assured that this sector, the operations will continue as normal, and with the new leadership, we look forward through my chairmanship to propel this sector to higher heights. Let us put aside all politics issues and be focused on what we aim to achieve. With the new leadership of chairmanship and even the board members, we committed ourselves after I took over this position, and we agreed that we will move on this sector and leave alone or stop issues that will not bring any benefit to farmers. So as at now, we look forward to add more value and put more money to farmers' pockets.